Hello everyone. Today we're taking a look at the Deal4GO CDM70 battery cable, a replacement specifically designed for Dell Latitude 5480, 5490, 5488, 5491, and 5495 series laptops. If you're experiencing battery connection issues with your Latitude, this cable might just be the solution you need. It's crucial to note that this cable is not compatible with the Latitude 5580 or 5590 series, so double-check your laptop model before purchasing. The Dell part numbers this cable replaces are NVKD8, 0NVKD8, and CN, 0NVKD8, and the manufacturer part numbers are DC0200, 2NX00, and DC02002NS00. This ensures it's a direct replacement, maintaining the original functionality. The cable features a 10-wire, 10-pin connector designed for a plug-in connection. This means no soldering is required, making the replacement process relatively straightforward, even for those with limited technical experience. The overall length of the cable is approximately 24.9 centimeters, or 9.7 inches, which should be sufficient for a comfortable fit within the laptop. The Deal4GO CDM70 battery cable offers a reliable and convenient solution for replacing a faulty battery cable in compatible Dell Latitude laptops. The plug-and-play design simplifies the installation process, and the compatibility with multiple Latitude models makes it a versatile option. If you're looking to restore your laptop's battery connectivity, this cable is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.